Macro to micro market commentary in 2 minutes. Speak like a pro. Welcome. In this micro lesson, you'll build a crisp, professional market brief you can deliver in 2 to 3 minutes with confidence. It's designed for traders, analysts, and busy pros who need fast clarity before the open. Your structure is simple. Start with the big picture, then narrow to specific trades. Keep the tone objective, concise, and calm. No hype, just signal. By the end, you'll have a repeatable template that highlights what matters now, why it matters, and how to act, so your audience gets direction without the noise. Open with the overnight risk tone. Is the market risk on or risk off? Give one line on drivers, central bank moves, fresh data, or geopolitics. Then hit the dashboard. The dollar, yields, oil, and gold. State the direction and a one-phrase why, e.g., yields up on hawkish remarks. Close with global equity futures, up or down, and the catalyst. Example, risk on. Futures up after dovish comments. Dollar softer, yields lower. Oil steady on supply headlines. Gold down as sentiment improves. Clean, tight, and sets context fast. Flag today's top releases with time and likely impact. 8:30 jobs data, high impact. Compare consensus to potential risks to consensus. What could surprise? Mention key speakers, central bankers, CEOs, OPEC, and when they speak. Then frame event scenarios. Base, most likely. Bull, better than expected. Bear, worse than expected. Example, base, payrolls near consensus. Range trade. Bull, cooler wages. Growth bid. Bear, hot print. Yields pop. Tech lags. This keeps you analytical without pretending to predict. Call out pre-market winners and laggards and give a short why. Semis bid on new AI orders. Utilities lag with falling yields. Tie moves to broader themes like AI, energy, China, or consumer demand. Add positioning. What looks crowded versus neglected, hinting at risk/reward. Then check cross-asset signals for confirmation or conflict. Stronger copper confirms China optimism. Stronger dollar conflicts with EM rally. This slide translates macro noise into sector priorities and tells listeners where attention and caution should go. Feature 3 to 5 tickers with clear catalysts. Earnings beats, guidance cuts, regulatory news, M&A, or product launches. For each, say what happened and why it matters for cash flow, sentiment, or positioning. Mark levels, pre-market highs/lows, gaps, or prior day pivots. Then, give an if-then plan with risk. If price holds above 48.20 pre-market high, look for 50 magnet, risk to 47.40 gap fill. Keep it actionable, not promotional. Your goal is precision, catalyst, levels, and a disciplined path to engagement or avoidance. Lead with verdicts, then provide evidence. Example, risk on this morning. Here's why. Use clear signposts, first, next, finally, to guide listeners. Quantify everything, levels, percent moves, times. Swap charged verbs for neutral verbs like suggests, signals, implies, indicates. For instance, yields down 6 bits per second, which suggests easing rate expectations. This keeps your brief sharp, testable, and professional. No drama, just clarity that busy teams can act on quickly. Start with a headline sentence that states the market tone in one breath. Risk off as yields climb after hotter inflation. Then hit 3 quick beats. Macro drivers, calendar focus, sectors/themes. Follow with a ticker sprint. 3 rapid setups with catalyst and key levels. Close with a key risk and 1 watch level that could flip the narrative. Example, watch 10-year near 4.25%. A break lower could revive tech. This rhythm keeps your delivery tight, repeatable, and easy to follow. Before you publish, sanity check. Deliver one story with no contradictions. Cut jargon or briefly define must-use terms like term premium or guidance. Avoid predictions. Present scenarios with triggers and levels. End with a risk reminder, not hype. Data and headlines can shift tone quickly. Manage size and stops. This protects credibility and helps your audience focus on what they can control. Preparation, levels, and disciplined execution